Good morning, children. Today, I'm on the last point of your chapter. Very short topic it is there. Firstly, we have to understand Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? Green Revolution is the increase in the production of the crops. Increase in the production of crops. Why there was need of for Green Revolution? It was because of the food crisis. As एग्रीकल्चर सिचुएशन वेंट फ्रॉम बैड टू वर्स, बुरी से बुरा हालत होगी 1960. In 1940 and 1950, rate of growth of food grain production not coping up with the rate of population growth. How much food grains we were growing in our country that were not enough for the growth according to the population of the country. So that's why severe droughts क्या होते हैं? सूखा. It was drought occurred in several parts of the country 1965 to 1967, and in Bihar it a famine like situation. What is famine? When we are been having no food to eat, akal, and that is known as. Now we are doing the green revolution. The government of India adopted a new strategy for agriculture, and why? To bring the self-sufficiency in the food. Self-sufficiency means we are being able to produce the food crops according to the growth of our population. Self-sufficient means हमारे लिए बहुत हो जाना. Instead of earlier policy giving support to the areas of farmers, we were lagging behind. Earlier what we were doing, we were trying to introduce the land reforms for the poor farmers. But now what we have decided, to give more resources to those areas where the fertility of the soil was there and farmers were having irrigation facilities also. So government, what the government did there? Government offered high yield variety seeds from where we can increase the production of the crops. Modern fertilizers, pesticides, better irrigation facilities at the subsidized rate, means it was given at the discount rate by the government. So what was the polarization of this? What were the two effects of this green revolution? In many parts there was great difference between the extreme poor peasants and the landlords. Landlords were very rich and peasants were very poor. On the other hand, with the help of this green revolution, some peasants who were having middle size, means it was not very small piece of land, not a very large piece of land. Now with the help of green revolution, these were able to develop into the middle class, good peasants, well equipped peasants. Green revolution, who get the benefited of this green revolution? Large landlords. And maximum we were having more growth of wheat and rice. And some regions, like, it was not all over the India, some regions of the India gets benefited by it. That was Punjab, Haryana, Western UP. These were areas which become agriculturally prosperous. So now one more topic is, one small box is given to you, that is about the white revolution. White revolution means it was the production of the milk on the large scale. And Verghese Kurion, he was known as the milkman of India. So he started in Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, and later on which they launched the Amul also. Later developments, what went on later on? The development in India took a major turn in the end of 1960. The period from 1967 onwards, many new restrictions came on the private industries. Now 14 private banks were nationalized, and government announced many schemes, many programs to stimulate, to increase the economic growth for the poor. How this economic growth was done? Ideology क्या adopt करी इसके लिए? Socialist policies. From 1950 to 1980, economic growth was very slow, and because of the in the public sector inefficiency, corruption, it was not economic development in the role of the bureaucracy was not so positive in the economic development. The public opinion in the country lost the faith. Such lack of public faith led to the policymakers to reduce the importance of the state. Means now, because we were not having the faith of the public, that's why these policymakers uh, they reduce the importance of the states in Indian economy. Okay, after that, friends, you see these are the NCERT back exercise. I have solved the full exercise for you, and this all our questions are being given to you. Full back exercise I have solved for you, and in the last, this is the assignment of the questions. So you have to attempt these questions in the notebook, and you can do after your periodic test. Okay.